the global fleet in operation. Smooth, reliable, and connecting you to every corner of the Earth.
Confirm the alignment on Section 42. We need clearance for the starboard wing attachment immediately.
This ply is set. Ready for the next sequence?
Yes, the laser shifted. Let's move to section 3.
Make sure the bracket is flush with the stringer before tightening.
Understood. Securing the bolt now. We have full coverage on the starboard side.
Okay, the report confirms compliance with all parameters. We are good to proceed.
The ultrasonic data confirms the subsurface irregularities here.
Yes, and the thermal map shows significant stress concentration.
Lower it slowly. Watch the starboard side. Steady, steady. Locks engaged.
Platform 3, hold position. We have a 2-inch clearance on the starboard side.
Copy that. Adjusting speed now.
Alignment is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Locking sequence initiated. The strain gauges on joint 49er are stabilizing within tolerance.
Confirmed. Structural integrity verified.
Alignment is confirmed and the surface is clear.
Approved. Let's move the bolts into position.
Slow and steady. A little to the right. Okay, hold it. We are aligned.
The angle deviation is well within tolerance. Look here.
Confirmed. Alignment is perfect. Generating report now.
Set point achieved. Green on all indicators.
Roger that.
Initiating post-set inspection.
Torque applied. Check the seal.
Seal inspected. It's fully secured.
Range check on the elevator.
Data looks good. Verified.
We are showing green across the board here, proceeding with the final seating.
Confirmed. Looks good from this side.
Aligning primary module now.
Confirmed. Engaging backup.
Primary locked. Green light steady.
All parameters are within tolerance. Green light across the board.
Confirmed. Ready for sign-off.
Test sequence engaged. We have green on all indicators.
Confirmed. System check complete.
Connection secure on radar and GPS.
Confirmed. All modules online and synchronized. Test complete.
Make sure that edge is tight against the frame. Got it. Looks good here.
Check the laser alignment on the far end. Looks good from here. Go ahead and secure it.
Check the gradient on the amber transition position.
Looks good from here.
The blue is cycling now.
Make sure the cart is fully engaged.
All indicators green on the lighting and environmental controls.
Confirmed. Run the final sequence.
And we have a systems go.
All checkpoints clear for row 12. Ready to sign off?
Yes, the alignment issues were corrected. Approved.
Watch the pressure on that seam there. Copy that. Adjusting now. Found a minor abrasion here. See it on the scan?
Confirmed. Activating the polisher. Okay, rescan shows clear.
Clear on the left, clear on the right. Maintain slow speed, keep it coming straight.
All circuits synchronized. Power levels steady across the board.
Confirmed. System status is nominal.
Full articulation achieved. Tolerances are nominal.
Systems check complete. Ready for sign-off.
Spool up, continuing nominal. Check the vibration levels on the rear mount.
Reading fluctuation on mount C, but it's within tolerance.
Copy that. Proceed to 75%. Confirm bypass pin removed.
Over affirmative. Pin secure.
Okay, cockpit. Ground is clear. Initiate taxi. Ground control, we are approaching the braking zone. Roger, runway 27 is clear for a high-speed taxi.
Airspeed alive.
80 knots, V1.
Stop. Maximum brake.
Decel verified.
All parameters nominal.
Signatures are processing now. We have final approval for flight test 1.
The brake response seems solid, but look at this sensor reading in the bay.
That's unusual. Cross-reference it with the pre-taxi diagnostics.
Verify the routing at Station 4. Ensure the ADM is secure.
Confirmed. Tolerances are within the specified parameters on the schematic.
As you can see on the main display, the trajectory profiles are optimized for the high altitude phase. We've assessed the weather corridor risks at under 5%.
Overhead panel, hydraulic pumps,
On. Auxiliary pump auto.
ACMA power.
Checked.
Climb rate steady at 2,000 feet per minute. Roger. Speed stable at 250 knots.
We are well within the green band across all zones.
Yes, the environmental systems are performing optimally.
Backup systems engaged.
Confirming switchover. Parameters stabilizing.
Status nominal.
The thermal readings on the gear are stable, but look at the stress points near the flap actuator.
We detected a slight anomaly there as well. Cross-referencing the sensor logs now.
The altitude metrics are correlating well with the fuel consumption data.
Yes, but we need to monitor the spikes during the transonic phase.
The stress test results for the flap actuators look good here.
Yes, cross-referenced with the material certification, it meets all regulatory requirements. I'll sign off on Section 3.
Ensure the branding elements are aligned correctly on row 7.
Confirmed. The logo placement meets the customer's specifications.
Verify the calibration on panel 7 Bravo. Ensure it matches the revised specifications.
Reading is within tolerance. I've logged the data point.
The data confirms the projected efficiency.
Yes, and the ride quality is superb. Our passengers will appreciate this.
We proudly present you with the keys to your new aircraft.
Thank you. It's a magnificent machine.
Okay, everyone, the final numbers are up. Let's keep the workspace clear and remember your PPE on the line. Stay safe out there.
Follow step 3 on the display for the actuator check.
Got it. Ensuring the bypass valve is secure.
By adjusting the sequence here, the simulation projects a 15% efficiency gain.
That significantly improves our throughput target for Q3.
Ensure the torque wrench is calibrated before proceeding. Got it. The manual specifies 25 Newton meters for this assembly.
The global fleet in operation. Smooth, reliable, and connecting you to every corner of the Earth.